How do you look at the future that you're not sure about and have peace in your soul? I don't know what this procedure is going to look like, but I know faithful He has been, and faithful He will be. He will not treat His Son poorly, so He will not treat me poorly. I don't know how God's going to answer this prayer, but I know I'm as one with Him as I could ever be, apart from my own righteousness, apart from my own works. He sees me like He sees Jesus, and I can't find Him neglecting Jesus. I can't find Him not listening to Jesus. I can't find Him being separated from Jesus. I can't find Him thinking bad thoughts about Jesus. I can't find Him not answering Jesus' prayers. I can't find Him not directing Jesus' path. I can't find Him being anything but good to Jesus. So I know when I dwell with Him like Jesus dwelt with Him in unity, I will find Him nothing but good to me.
That's right. Amen.
This is the hope of the gospel.